In this video, I will show you how you can record videos at 120 fps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now before we start, I would like to say that I have the Galaxy S26 over here, so the settings might be a bit different if you have the Ultra, but the method is the same across all the Galaxy S26 series. Now to start, just open the camera app. Now over here you have two methods to record videos at 120 fps. You have the option to record slow motion videos at 120 fps, and also you have the option to record normal videos at 120 fps. Let's start with the slow motion videos. For that, after you open the camera app, then just tap on more at the bottom of the screen, and from here just tap on slow motion. Now after you go to the slow motion section, at the top of the screen, you will find the option for the resolution. Now just tap on the resolution, and from here, you can select the resolution of your videos. For example, since I have the Galaxy S26, I have the option for Full HD and Ultra HD. Now just select your preferred resolution. I will select Ultra HD. And over here, I have the option to record slow motion videos at 120 fps. But keep in mind, if you lower down the resolution, you also have the option to record videos at 230 fps. But I'll keep the resolution on Ultra HD. Now let's start recording a video at 120 fps. As you can see, this is a slow motion video which I'm recording. Now once you're done recording the video, just tap on this button over here and you will stop recording the video. As you can see, we have successfully recorded a slow motion video at 120 fps. But if you want to record a normal video at 120 fps, then just go back to the camera app and go back to the normal mode and remove slow motion. After you do that, then just tap on more, and in this section, just select Pro Video. After you do that, you will get more options to customize your video recording experience. But at the top of the screen, just tap on the resolution icon. Now from here, just select the resolution in which you have the option for 120 fps. As you can see, the HD option peaks at 30 fps, but if I shift to Full HD, I will have the option to record videos at 120 fps. Now if I increase the resolution to Ultra HD or 8K, I will not have the option to record these videos at 120 fps. But if you have the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the settings might be a bit different. So I'll select FHD and I'll set it at 120 fps. And just tap on anywhere on the screen, then focus on the subject of your video, then tap on this button to start recording. As you can see, we are recording a video at 120 fps. And once you're done recording your video, just tap on this icon over here and you will stop recording the video. As you can see, this is the video which we have recorded at 120 fps. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.